We're getting ready to go to my very first movie premiere. I'm in a real movie out on Netflix and in theaters. It's called Hustle, starring Adam Sandler. A lot of people are in this movie, granted, but I have a speaking role in this movie. What? What?
Nothing, I'm just...
But we were talking to Alex before he put the camera on. We were at the Roots picnic and we were all getting through. I got through, Keys got through, A.O. Cannon got through. Alex didn't get through. He's the only person I didn't get through. So it's because of how he walks. So I need you to, like, look, when you're walking in somewhere you're not supposed to be, you have to, how's it going? Boom. Show how you walk. Yeah, no, you look, I'm not trying to be mean, you look great, but the way you walk is a little...
Okay, so this is the story, right? And I'm gonna explain this once. So backstage, you're not supposed to have your camera. They're not letting anyone with their camera. Homie saw me with my camera bag. She had the camera in my hand, and he was like, "Yo, you can't go through with your camera." Someone was talking to him, so I just went upstairs, and he was like, "Yo, kept it pushing." Unfortunately, he got me. Keys saw the opportunity, put the camera in her bag, and went up the stairs. So she was good. She was good. But me, I got caught with the camera. So when I tried to put it in my bag, I'm like, all right, I'm not even recording. He was like, nah, you still can't be up here. Like you're not going up. You're not going backstage. It wasn't no walk talk thing. I was allowed to go. I had the wristband, but he just didn't like me.
I remember back when I was a young lad and I got stopped by guards and just like didn't know what to say and do. Why are you getting
Go ahead.
All right, let's go. I'm ready. I'm excited. I wanted my mom to come, but that's all right. She'll come I'll take her to the movies on her own. Everybody got everything? Oh, yo, what the crazy part about this is my role is I'm actually me in the movie. So my first movie, I play me as me.
Playing himself in the movie.
Hey, this is my first movie. I'm supposed to act like this.
First movie.
I don't care. Let's go. Screw you guys. This is Ryan, and Ryan works for the Sixers. We've worked together with the Sixers for quite some time, and we're gonna do some sideline content for the Sixers. So I'm double dipping today. I'm coming like as a person in the film to watch it, and then I'm coming as a Sixers person to make some content. Go in and check in and figure out what the game plan is for the red carpet. But I'm not gonna lie, this is really cool. Like, I'm gonna really try my best to not freak out and act like this is crazy and be cool about it.
I'm Hannah. This is also Hannah. It's very easy to remember. Hannah will help you out. Good. How are you? All right. Yeah. So you're good. Go ahead. You have free reign.
Where should I go first? Should I go in there first?
Head in the auditorium. Might as well. That's what's probably the most timely because one.
Oh my God. Yes. Yeah! I'm in this movie right here. Come on. I'm in this movie. I have speaking lines in this film. This is phenomenal. We're just gonna act like this is normal? Come on, man. Can I get a hand clap from you, sir? I got one over here. I got another over here. It may not be a big deal to all, but it is a big deal to me. That's Adam Sandler. Do you understand? That is the same guy who was in Happy Gilmore. I was obsessed with that movie growing up. I have a scene with this guy now. Goodness gracious, this is phenomenal. This is definitely one of those like full circle moments because the movie includes the Philadelphia 76ers organization within the movie. A job I've worked since I was a kid. To transition into film, which is something obviously I've always wanted to do, but also have the Sixers involved and then kind of play the role as myself. It doesn't even make sense. Like, how does that happen, you know? And for it to be with Adam Sandler, someone who I'm genuinely a fan of. I'm sitting in this theater right now like, wow, that's crazy. I'm not even trying to be corny. Like, this is actually, I don't even have a big role, but it's just like, I feel good.
These are the ones that are planned for the carpet.
Okay.
And then we also have the backup sheet, including yourself, of notables.
Look, I made the Netflix sheet. Let's go. Oh, I'm definitely walking on the carpet. That's absolutely happening. It's not happening at all. Oh, is it better now to do it? Well, you don't have to tell me twice. I'm walking down the carpet. I'm setting this thing off, baby. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, Christian Crosby is walking the red carpet. That's me. So we're gonna start now. Are we all good with that? Great. All right. Let's first. Hey, how's it going? I would be interviewing myself at this point, but yeah, for sure. Yeah, absolutely. Do you want to talk to me or?
No, we're good. We're taking pictures of me now.
Wait, you? What about me? Can I take a picture with you?
Hold on 1 second.
This is my first red carpet experience. You know, just hold on 1 second.
Hold on 1 second. Or was that a bad question? I cover crime and politics, so like.
Thank you. If you need me, I'll be right here. All right. I know. It's crazy, right?
That's what you did?
Thank you. Yeah, what was I supposed to do? A cartwheel?
Yeah, that's what I thought you were gonna do.
I can't do a cartwheel. Just finished walking the red carpet. I set it off before everyone got here. I didn't want to rush. Everyone got excited, as you can see. It was a frenzy. Everyone was fighting for me. It was crazy out there. Everyone calmed down and kind of cooled off. Everyone realized each person could get at me one at a time. So everyone calmed down. I got everyone settled, and it worked out great. Yo, what's up, Sixers fans? We are here at the Netflix. Yo, what's up, Sixers fans? We are here at the Netflix premiere of Hustle. Adam Sandler's in the house. Tobias is coming through, and so much more. Y'all ready? Let's go. How you doing, man? I was in it. We were actually in the same scene.
Exactly, we were. Spent all day with Robert Duvall and Adam Sandler. How great was that?
Can we talk about the scene for a little bit? How was that for you?
I was a little nervous going in because we were working with two legends like that. And I got nervous, but then once I got into it, after you know how long it was, once you're there, you just sort of go with the flow.
Hi, baby. What's going on? You're looking fresh. I gotta know, man. Tell the Sixers fans right now, what can they expect from Tobias Harris in this film?
Man, you can expect. Honestly, I don't know what to expect. I have yet to see it, like to see myself in it in action. So I don't know yet, but I think I did a pretty good job.
Yeah, this is cool. It feels good. I feel home. I'm surrounded by my family, co-workers I've worked with for years, and the worlds are colliding. It's crazy. Alex hasn't been in my vlog yet. Alex is one of my best friends. Sometimes we get in a lot of fights.
I think he's purposely leaving me out because he doesn't want me to steal his show. It's gonna be.
Be you. Oh, stinky. Philadelphia 76ers here.
How are you, buddy?
Good
Good to see you.
All right, we got some fun questions for you.
I'm ready.
Number one, what was the most Philly thing that you learned filming on set in Philadelphia?
You have to finish the cheesesteak before you start playing. They didn't like when I was out there chewing and
Yeah, I'm excited. Did my scene get cut out?
No,
Did I get
baby,
cut out?
you're in. You look good. I didn't recognize. Is it the glasses or something? What threw me off?
Ah, yes, glasses.
Good to see you, pal.
You too, bro.
Yeah,
Thanks again for keeping me in the phone, bro.
Can you do
All right,
like those
good,
Sixers
good.
for our social?
It pains him to say that. I can tell.
Let's go. I just feel my Knicks fans punching me in the face.
Thank you.
See you, bro. I'll see you in there. All right, so he actually did recognize me after we did the interview, which was really cool. I asked him if he cut me out of the movie. He said, no, I'm in the movie and I look cool, so that felt good. It's pretty dope. I haven't seen it yet. You know you're in it. I know, that's what he just told me. I was like, oh my God. Okay, so let's start. Why the Philadelphia 76ers? We gotta know.
We're the best team of all time.
Oh, this is the best answer ever. We have a moment here. You guys usually greet each other like that.
Yes. That was the first one.
And what can we expect out of you in this film?
So check it out. I hold my weight. I play Adam's best friend in the movie. It was a little bit interesting because at first, when I first got the call, I thought I was making a cameo. I didn't know it would have 32 pages of dialogue.
Just wrapped the red carpet, got my popcorn. I'm about to go in, check out the movie. I'm hyped. Not for real though. This is crazy. Just watched the movie. Phenomenal movie. My scene was dope. My lines got cut out. I'm a little heartbroken about that, but I still get some FaceTime. So it's still a visual, baby. I'm still happy. I'm in the movie. There's nothing to be mad about here. Premiere was super dope. Big shout out to Adam Sandler for coming through, LeBron for producing that. Amazing. The movie was phenomenal. So, what do you think, Keys? What did you think of my part?
Oh, you were amazing. Your
Did you see it? You saw it? My hairline?
I saw you. You were in the room.
Crazy. It was
You're
phenomenal.
at the table, bro. You're at the table.
I was at the table, and I'm in the beginning of my journey. So look, you keep going. Next movie, I think I'll have some lines in. I'm pretty positive. I'm in another movie called Rittenhouse starring Nick Nolte. I have like 8 lines in that movie. If all of them get cut out, I'm pretty sure I'll cry. But you know what though, this was great though. So we're about to go to the Ritz. We gotta go back to my apartment. We're probably gonna celebrate at the Ritz. So overall, great day. And as you guys know, like, subscribe, comment, do what you gotta do.